Top of the morning to you all. Thank you for joining us this morning. Welcome to the entertainment segment on Good Morning Africa. So, the video you watched earlier on said everything we are about to talk about. That was the International Reggae and Music Awards that you saw there. And the particular video you saw was the 13th edition when Buju Banton won the award. But this year is they're celebrating their 4th year. Yes, 40th edition, and I have a beautiful lady here I'm going to introduce in a short time. She's going to be telling us all we need to know. And the good thing is that the award nominee list was released this dawn, and Pan-African TV, Good Morning Africa, we are the very first TV station in West Africa to announce it to the world. And to help us understand that, I have Rock here. Her name is Donnaray Rock, and she's from Jamaica, all the way from Jamaica, right here in Ghana, coming to tell us all we need to know about the International Reggae and Music Festival. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Good morning.
It's good to have you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I love your hair.
Oh, thank you.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Thank you, my dear.
It's bringing the African woman, yes, the African queen, and
know.
it's giving African
vibes.
Rock, it's good to have you on the show.
Thank you.
Someone will be sitting home and be wondering, who is she? Who is this beautiful lady? Yes, her name is Rock, and would want to know, before we delve into the award category and everything we need to know about the award, we want to know you. Tell us about something about yourself.
Well, what I am. Well, a Jamaican, of course.
Okay.
That lives, of course, in the fastest city of the world, which is New York City.
Okay.
And I'm a Jamaican diaspora cultural ambassador, representing brand Jamaica in global markets, and of course representing different brands from diaspora. And I'm here in Ghana just to hold on the vibes and hold on the culture.
Welcome to Ghana. First time in Ghana?
Oh no.
Okay. What's your connection to the awards?
Okay, so I am on the committee,
okay,
as a committee board member, and I'm also an ambassador representing the IRAWMA and the Martins International here in West Africa. So
throw spotlight on IRAWMA for us.
So IRAWMA, of course, is celebrating our music, our culture, and our nation. And of course, it's not just reggae music, it's world music. And we've been hosting, say, 35, 39 years.
Wow.
In America, North America, we've been hosting the awards there, and we decided to take it back to Jamaica.
Okay, so this year will be
in Jamaica.
We'll
be hosting Jamaica.
Why not the regular place you hosted, but rather changing it to Jamaica?
Jamaica is home to our music and of course our foundation, our culture. We just think that, it's also good for our tourism to also bring back all those celebrities back home, just feel the vibe and to enjoy more of the music. So we just decided, let's bring it back home.
This is an international award. It means it involves world music. What goes into the selection of the categories? Okay,
good question. So what is it that we do? We have key stakeholders, shareholders in the business, of course, music business, and in the industry, of course. And we give them opportunity, the first process, to nominate who they think is worthy for that pretty much year of review of their career and of what's been happening in entertainment. And then we select those, the industry select those, and then, of course, it goes on to the national public, the general public to say, yeah. So that is the process.
Okay, so what is the voting process? The voting, or it's a board membership criteria, or the public has to vote for the winner?
Right, so after the industry nominates the nominees who we're about to announce, then, of course, the general public goes online and they vote, and then we decide the public decide who wins the nominee category.
So the public decides
who wins.
All right.
Yes.
So quickly, I want us to go through the category, but there's this particular category you'd want to tell us about.
Right,
which
sure.
Is,
of
tell
course.
us about it.
So, of course, we have many nominees on different categories that we are honoring for this year, 40th anniversary. And the nominees for the Best African Dancehall Entertainer is what
Best African
Dancehall Entertainer.
Okay, that is a difficult. That's one of the most difficult categories.
No, it actually is. I was thinking about it this morning. I was like, man, this is really. It's really serious.
It's really serious.
Yes, we normally judge based on, of course, your activities during the year of that year, and of course, you know, what you've been doing, the traveling that you've been making, the influence that you have on the culture and the music, the singles that you made, the albums. So we take all the shows, we take all those things into consideration, and that is how, I guess, when they audit the nominees, then that is how we decide who to be nominated.
So who are the nominees for this particular? I can't wait to hear.
No, of course. And the good thing is that we have a mixture of different countries in West Africa. Okay. Of course, and I'm happy that, of course, Ghana is a part of it. So Pato Rankin from Nigeria. Okay. Yes. Okay, Pato Rankin. Yes, and Star Z from Sierra Leone. Star Z from Sierra Leone. Yes, and Shatta Wale, of course. Whoop, 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 whoop. Our very own Shatta Wale is in that category. Yes, congratulations to him. And of course, Stone Boy. Oh, I'm happy. I'm excited. At least Ghana has two spots. So if Shatta doesn't win, Stone Boy. But then why Shatta? Sorry, let me finish the last. Okay. And the last one is Winky D from Zimbabwe. Winky D from Zimbabwe. All right, so these are the nominees for the Best African Dancehall Entertainer. Oh, that's a difficult one. Yeah, it is. I mean, I know Pato Rankin is good. I haven't really heard about the other artists, but since they've made it to this category, it means that they are also doing like a very good job in their category. But why is the Ghana has two spots in there? Like, I'm very interested. You know, it's a really good question. I mean, to me, based on what's been happening in West Africa with our music and our music culture, Ghana is produced the best dancehall or reggae, dancehall, Afrobeat music. And of course, you know, they're much close to us as an identity. I guess it's just a chip off of the block. Oh, you know? Yeah. So I think based on that, I mean, these two people know them on the outside, you know, so it goes a long way. It's not just in Ghana. It really goes a long way. And that speaks for, I mean, the countries, the whole country, for Ghana, for Zimbabwe, for Nigeria, and the rest of the country. So what's the next category? All right. The next category. So the next category is Best Afrobeat Entertainer. Okay. Yes. I know Burna Boy is in there. Okay. Okay. Let's see the nominees are Burna Boy. Okay. Nigeria. I was right, from Nigeria. Of course. Diamond Platinum from Tanzania. Yes, Diamond Platinum from Tanzania. Of course. Eddie Kenzo, that's Uganda. I've heard of Eddie Kenzo too, a very good artist from Uganda. Yes. And Tim's, Nigeria. Whoa. And Willie Paul, Kenya. Wow. That is a very difficult category, because looking at these people, they are equally, I mean, doing it big in the music scene, and wow, that's I mean, that's heavy. That's heavy. Yeah. What went into, I mean, nominating this people? Yes. So, I mean, the good thing about it is that now the world decides. Normally, in our analytics, in our numbers, with the votes that comes in all over the world, Africa plays a tremendous role in numbers. We get the most votes from out of Africa all the time, and it's great that, I mean, it's only the good thing that we are also celebrating, not just on the other side, but also Africa, because they're also contributing. IRAWMA, which is International World and Reggae Music Awards. All right. Right? Everywhere. .com, everywhere, all platforms. On all platforms, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere. For more information, just go on the website. Right. It has everything there. All the nominees and the categories are there. You check it out and you vote for your favorite. I wish we bring one here in Ghana. So my fingers are crossed for our Ghanaian and a Nigerian people. Yes, that would be nice. I love Eddie Kenzo too. Oh my God, that's difficult. I can't decide. I know. I wish it was so. Thank you, Rob. You're welcome. Thank you, Rob.
This is your IRAWMA winning Sharon Wiles, inviting you to the 40th anniversary of the International Reggae and World Music Award, IRAWMA, in Kingston, Jamaica, May 7th, 2023. For more info, go to www.irawma.com. See you there.